Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Erwan. Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Erwan. Welcome to the French whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give someone your email address. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have A. A. B. 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 C. 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 Like say, but a bit shorter and nasal. D. 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 E. 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 Like the E in the. F. 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 G. 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 H. 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 I. 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 J. 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 Like the G in mirage. K. 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 L. 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 Okay, to don't pronounce the E at the end. It's only L. M. 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 N. 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 O. 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 P. 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 Q. 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 R. 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 It's a guttural sound. Doesn't exist in English. S. 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 T. 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 U. 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 It's like the U in German, with rounded lips. V. 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 W. 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 X. 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 Y. 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 Z. 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 On a little example for the end. K. A. R. E. N. Arrobase. I. N. N. You can say double N. O. L. A. N. G. Point. Comme C. O. M. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the letters. See how they are used in the dialogue. Votre email, s'il vous plaît. Mon email est karen@inolangue.com. KAREN@inolangue.com. Your email, please. My email is karen@inolangue.com. Votre email, s'il vous plaît. Mon email est karen@inolangue.com. KREN arrobase Your email, please. My email is karen@inolong.com. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern was the structure that our dialogue followed. Mon email est email address. My email is email address. Mon email est email address. My email is email address. Mon is a possessive adjective and it agrees in gender and number with the noun it modifies. In this case, email is a masculine noun, hence mon is used. If a feminine nouns follow, ma would be used. Do you remember how to say my? Mon. Mon. And how to say email? Email. Email. Do you remember how to say my email is? Mon email est. Mon email est. And how to say my email is karen@inolong.com? Mon email est karen@inolong.com. Mon email est karen@inolong.com. In this lesson, you learn how to give your email address in French. Thanks for watching. I'm Erwan, and I will see you on FrenchPod101.com. Salut! À la prochaine!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.